What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I just had these 3 boxes show up on my front steps, so I'm going to go ahead and open them. We got 2 regular packages. I'm sure these are 2 regular hats. And then the third one is a big lot of hats from Hatman Dave. So I'm going to get right into that. But before, I want to address everything behind me. I've got the new setup because we're in the new location right now. But I'm starting to piece it together, but there's not a lot of stuff on the walls. So it is going to look a lot better. Kind of like the old one, if you can see in the previous videos. There's a lot of stuff and it is just not there yet. So I apologize for that, but it is going to look bigger and better than it has in the past. So let's kick things off with the first 2, the smaller packages. The first one I got here is a Corona Extra corduroy snapback. Sometimes these are strapback or zipper back, but it is a snapback, which is always my favorite. Pretty cool design there. Very classic Corona logo. And it looks like it's going to have a really good fit after it gets shaped up. I'm planning to have all of these in the hat drop tomorrow. Depending on what time I can get this video out, it's going to be on the June 5th hat drop, so stay posted for that. It is Tuesday right now. It's the day before, so I'm going to have all these hats washed and reshaped and get them in the drop. So the next one here, Ducks Unlimited. Nothing too crazy there, but we got that mallard on the front with the rope, and then that tan all around snaps in the back. Clean on the inside. Love to see that. So now that those 2 are down, let's get into the big package that I've been waiting for. Unfortunately, it had a big rip in the side, so the mailman could get a good peek of it, but hopefully none of the hats are damaged on the inside. And good thing it was not raining outside, because these hats probably would have had a little bit of damage. But these, this is going to be 12 hats coming from Hatman Dave. He is an incredible hat seller and collector, so make sure to check him out. I'll have his link in the description below, but always has great hats, so make sure to check him out. So taking these out of the box here, we've got 12 hats and probably 10 right now after I drop 2 or 3. But I'm going to go through one by one, show you what I got here. This first one is a 1997 Stanley Cup Finals Sports Specialties, and it's got that cup crazy on the back. Really cool design. I've never seen that one there. I believe this was the Colorado Avalanche, but I'm not 100%. Next up is the Seattle Mariners. Should be Twins Enterprise. Yeah, genuine merchandise on the competitor tag, which I believe is owned by Logo 7, but Seattle Mariners on the side there. Next up is University of Virginia Split Bar on the game. Great condition on the inside. All of these look like they're freshly reshaped, so it looks like I won't have to do any work, if maybe a couple touch-ups, but nothing crazy. This I believe this is St. Peter's or St. Petersburg. I'm not 100% sure, but I had this one in the last hat drop and had a ton of people hit me up about it. And then that North Star compass on the back. New Era tag. Great. Or nice and clean in there. The other one that I dropped, we got the Colorado University Buffaloes. Great colors, gray, black, and yellow on the game as well. Good shape. Next up, Navy Lacrosse. Some of these split bars usually has University at the bottom, but the fact that it says Lacrosse is pretty cool. And then again, the game. So that one, I've got someone in mind, someone that plays at Navy, so that I think may be a good customer for that. And then we've got Quebec Nordiques, the old NHL team. I'm not exactly sure who the Nordiques turned into. Comment below if you know the answer to that. But this one's brand new with the insert inside. Twins Enterprise single bar. Next up, New York Rangers. Unfortunate loss for them. I thought they were making it to the Stanley Cup, but the Florida Panthers got in their way and tore everything up, as they did to my Bruins. I remember sending Hatman Dave a screenshot of this because I thought it was absolutely hilarious, and he said he would just throw it in. So thank you for this one. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. Tampa Bay Lightning, brand new with tag. AJD on the inside. And Dallas Cowboys, I think this is a swoosh or something like that. Drew Pearson Company. And then the last 2, we've got a veil corduroy rope. All my skiers are going to love this. No tags on the inside, but a great winter hat for when you're hitting the slopes. And then last but not least, University of Tennessee with that gradient, kind of looks like a sunset on the front, and then that UT on the side, nothing on the back, but looks like the tags were cut. I think this was Twins Enterprise or maybe Enco. I don't remember who made these, but great colors on this. Good summer hat. But that does it for today's unboxing. Make sure to stay posted. For every Wednesday, there will be a hat drop, so don't miss out on that. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. We're going to have a lot more videos coming in, and so you can check out what's going in behind me. It's going to be a really good setup. And then follow on Instagram and stay posted for